तरह से बूम अप करना है। जितना भी किचन रूम का सारा प्रोडक्ट जो है वो अगरतला से बनना चाहिए। गया ये चीज का अंदर में आपको कोई सवाल है तो आप पूछ सकते हो, कोई डाउट है?
Khailaikha. So, a very great day for all the viewers who are watching me. Today I would like to say and give you the good message of what actually is Emoinu is all about. Actually, Emoinu is a goddess which is a god of wealth. We call in Tripura Ama Mairuma. And God of wealth is there to give you the wealth which you desire. And here we have got the product. And the products are so useful and beneficial. Actually, know each and every product and it will be very, very beneficial for your kitchen and for your people and for all the families who are related to it. And moreover, there are also township going on. And for the township, you can book it with a very low cost price and in an installment or what is that?
Emoinu.
Emoinu has given you the platform to book in a silchar in Guwahati, and finally we are going to do it in Agartala itself. So the viewers who are watching this footage, I hope it will benefit you. Yes, come, let's make our Northeast a beautiful site, a beautiful state, and let's help each other to grow together. Once again, thank you so much. Long live Emoinu Evergreen Society.
Yay for it.
Jotonon khulumkha naitongna rong ang dolal de borma tini odiklo kuthumnai mani koglam hangke silchar hayaba Guwahati o je hanar na musumnai bor hanar manai awan bagi jotono kaisa kuthumlai bongkha baksa je rang tongnai borok booking khlayo niki installment of khlayo tei iko tei baksa je rang li mane ke bor cash kun paiman
ताप से जरा खराब से बुकिंग खाले कहती पूरा
तिनी जराते हिंके प्राय 17 जना बुकिंग खाइका 17 जना बाक्सा गबां रांबाय बाक्सा किसा रांबाय हाइपनो जतन बुकिंग खाइ मानन बागि ओ जे लामा रजाब
बुकिंग खालायना बागै बोसो रां
नादि संपुला गुवाहाटी नि प्लॉट हिंके 1.5 लाख बाय 2 लाख बुकिंग खाइनानि सिलचानि के 1 लाख 1.5 लाख 2 लाख जे कोनो रां बाय जे प्लॉट न अब बुकिंग खाइ माने हाइपन तेबो सुखसुख यांके 50,000 रिमानो तेबो सुखसुख यांके 10,000 रिमानो
जागानि परिमाण लेबोसो
सिलचरनि जागा के प्राय 1.5 घंटा 2 घंटा 2.5 घंटा गुवाहाटीनि जागा के 2.5 घंटा के 3.5 घंटा